Hey guys, my homework of the day, removing the AC. Look how dusty this thing is. No wonder it wasn't throwing cold air. Now I'm just gonna put simple green on it, rinse it out, and put it back together. Damn. Well, I just threw some simple green and let it rinse. And then I'm gonna hose it down. And hopefully that's gonna fix the problem. But damn, she was filthy. It was a bitch to take it out too. Yep. That's it. Damn, look at that. Super clean. Now let's hope that she blows cold air now. Yeah. And there it is, guys. Blowing cold air. It was just dust. Filthy. So as much as we go off-roading and dust, I gotta detail this once a year. But now it's throwing cold air. Hell yeah. That's it. Yep.